This really hasn't been something I went and searched for, a job like this, but I kind of fell into it and I absolutely loved it. So I stuck with it. Once I kind of found it, I wish I would have been there 15 years ago. I didn't mind working at other hotels, but I did want somewhere that I felt I was appreciated. When I come into work, I get my keys, I check my work orders, see if there's any out of order rooms. I go check the kitchen, make sure everything's okay in there with the ladies, and then I start my day with working on the pool. I take care of this place like it's mine, because in a lot of ways, it is. This place is my long-term project. I'm the one that looks after it and makes sure everything works. Working off a daily maintenance checklist, I'm looking for anything that's out of the ordinary. Lights that are out in the hallways, tears in the carpet or wallpaper that's bad, any sounds or smells that doesn't seem right to the hotel. You do become in tune with the hotel. It'd be like anything, it'd be at your own house. You would know when something is out of the ordinary. So it kind of becomes your second home. You want it to become a place where you want to come to every single day, and that's my kind of drive. Sometimes we do have to go into a guest room. We are the guests to them when we approach them in their rooms. That's their sanctuary when they come to a hotel. That's their getaway place. So whenever you get into that space, you have to make yourself very friendly and approachable, and that everything's going to be okay, that you're going to do what you can to fix that issue and make them feel comfortable at the same time. There's also preventative maintenance. This job isn't about waiting until something's broken. It's about getting ahead of the problems, fixing things before anyone notices. Sometimes guests come to you with problems like being locked out of a room. I can't let them back in, but I can show them where to go to get help. The first things that people see is our responsibility when they come into the hotel. So I take that very seriously. When it runs well, I'm doing everything right. That reflects on not only me, but on the hotel as a brand in itself and everybody else that works at the hotel. I enjoy that I do everything right the first time, the right way. To me, that's the Drury way.